Hi guys, in this video I'll be updating on Strongbridge Biopharma, ticker SBBP, a company I've mentioned in prior videos here in my channel. Strongbridge Biopharma is being acquired by Xeris Pharmaceuticals, ticker XERS, in an all-stock and CVR deal, and I'll be explaining what this means for SBBP shareholders and also analyzing XERS stock. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I publish new videos. One more thing guys, don't forget to smash the like button also for YouTube algorithm. On May 24, Xeris Pharmaceuticals announced that it was acquiring Strongbridge Biopharma in an all-stock and CVR deal worth approximately $267 million. The $267 million estimated value of the deal is based on Xeris' $3.47 closing price on May 21, the last day that markets were open prior to the deal being announced. Strongbridge shareholders will receive 0.784 shares of XERS per SBBP share they own at the deal closing, which would be worth about $2.72 at the prior closing price of Xeris stock. You obtain this value multiplying 3.47 by 0.784. The deal also involves contingent value rights, so in addition to the 0.784 shares of XERS, Strongbridge shareholders will receive a CVR that is potentially worth up to $1 per share, and probably it will be paid in the form of additional XERS shares. As I mentioned, the deal also includes some contingent value rights CVR, and the payout associated with any one of the three separate milestones is not contingent on the other two milestones being achieved. The three milestones are the listing of at least one issued patent in the US Food and Drug Administration's Orange Book for XERS by the end of 2023, or at least $40 million in XERS annual net sales in 2023. This achievement will give right to 25 cents per Strongbridge ordinary share. The second milestone is the achievement of at least 40 million in record level annual net sales in 2023, which will give right to 25 cents per Strongbridge ordinary share. And the third milestone is the achievement of at least 80 million in record level annual net sales in 2024, giving right to 50 cents per Strongbridge ordinary share. The result of all this is that current Xeris shareholders should end up with about 60% of the post-transaction company, with Strongbridge shareholders owning the other 40%. As you might already know, Strongbridge Biopharma already has one therapy on the market, which is XERS, an oral treatment that is the first and still only FDA-approved therapy for primary periodic paralysis, PPP. Total addressable US market for PPP is about $500 million, and the SBBP's guidance for 2021 is $34 to $36 million in sales, which is around 15% year-over-year growth. However, the most exciting drug of the company is Recorlev, an oral, once-daily medication to treat Cushing's syndrome. Recorlev has already had its NDA filed, and the FDA has set its PDUFA target action date as January 1, 2022. Recorlev is very likely to get approval, and if that happens, it unlocks the possibility of the other two milestones being achieved, which would be great for SBBP shareholders. Now focusing on Xeris Pharmaceuticals products. Xeris' market opportunity for now primarily revolves around Gvoke, the company's glucagon therapy that comes in both an auto-injector and prefilled syringe form for the treatment of severe hypoglycemia in insulin-dependent diabetics.
This is the Gvoke Hypo Pen for severe low blood sugar. It's a good idea for you and the people in your life to know how to use it before you need it.
It's a single-use auto-injector with no visible needle. It comes in a pouch to protect it, so don't open it until you need it.
It's pre-mixed and pre-filled, so it's easy to use.
Anyone can do it, even me.
Just pull off the red cap, then push the yellow end down on the skin and continue pushing for 5 seconds. The window will turn red to let you know when you're done.
It's easy.
Pull red off.
Push yellow on.
You got that?
You know what to do, right, sweetie?
Pull red off, push yellow on.
Simple.
Go to the website to learn more.
Gvoke's launch was a success, with both forms combined having around $20 million in sales in 2020. Beyond that, Xeris has 2 programs that it is looking to out-license. The first of those is a pramlintide insulin combination therapy using the company's Xeris technology that is intended to treat high blood sugar. Xeris has already completed the phase 2 trial in the indication and has received guidance from the FDA on what a phase 3 program would need to look like. The other program Xeris is looking to out-license is an injectable version of diazepam, which is a benzodiazepine used to treat various different seizure disorders. That program has only completed the phase 1 trial to date. Summing it up, this deal will create an innovative leader in endocrinology and rare diseases. Post-merger, Xeris Biopharma, the combined company, will have 2 marketed products, which are Gvoke and Xeris, and the third one that will likely be approved early next year, which is Recorlev, and has the potential to become the most lucrative of the 3. Now the question is, in which of the companies should you invest? Well, if you don't have a position in any of the companies and you believe CVR conditions will be achieved, then the best option is to buy SBBP shares. Because if CVR conditions are met, value will be transferred from XERS shareholders to SBBP shareholders. As always, keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and you should always do your own research before investing in any stock. Wish you the best and thanks for watching.